Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? Well, I hope you're doing well. As you can tell from the title, I am going to do a review of something that I would suggest, first of all, getting these earrings, because they're just so fun for Christmas time. They're just little, what do you call them? Christmas lights. They're little glitters. But that's not it. But it is glittery. I would suggest you getting this for a Christmas gift. So I'm going to tell you this. Try to upload it today. If not, it's a great after Christmas gift. No kidding. Because you know how people return stuff? Okay, so this is the product. How are y'all doing? I hate going too fast at the beginning. Actually, I love it. Dog hair. Dog hair is my life. If you get something, if you win a prize from me. Ooh, by the way, I'm going to need to be picking the prize. I sure am. I don't know that it's going to make it by Christmas. But it'll be the week of Christmas that the winner gets it. If they respond, oh, but then I need to imprint the Bibles. We'll see. Okay. So what's the item? This is the new, sorry y'all, I still got to do junk, so just please forgive me. This is the Make a Night of It brush set by It Cosmetics. Y'all know that my favorite cosmetics brushes rival this, and that is the Sigma Beauty brushes. But I really do think that It Cosmetic brushes are rivals of Sigma. And I know you're thinking, come on, Sigma's been in the brush business for a long time. I gotta say, it jumped into the brush business and has done a really good job. They're soft, they're dense when they should be, they're loose when they should be. They're well made. I mean, the ferrules stick good, the hairs don't come out. They're a really high quality brush set. And y'all know that I'm not an affiliate of either of those companies, by the way. But what I love about this is that it's kind of an all-in-one. So this is like a perfect gift. And Ulta has these. I think it's exclusively Ulta for It Cosmetics. But it's got a foundation brush, a blush brush, a shadow brush, a smudger brush, and a crease brush. And then it also comes with a clutch. So this is how it's packaged. Let's get into the item, because I went ahead and besides that one for gifting, I got one for me. And let me just first of all say, the brush case clutch is like the quality you could go out to dinner. And it's very edgy with this zipper edge, but it's black with silver paint. It's not glitter that's going to come off on everything if you take this out for an outfit. It's a magnetic closure. It's got a hot pink interior. And yes, in a very subtle way over here it says It Brushes of Ulta. But, I mean, other than that, it's not. Make sure when you take this out, what do? Stand over a toilet and cut this open. Never leave one of these laying around, y'all. These are deadly. If a child or an animal eats this, it will kill them. And that's because it absorbs moisture in the stomach and it'll kill them. So, very dangerous. I don't know why. I mean, I know with certain products, they have to ship it to keep it from getting moist inside and molding. Okay, so this is just a simple opening. There's no card pockets or anything like that. Because this was actually meant to be a brush kit holder. Like you could put your brushes in here and a face palette, you know, that has your blush, contour, and eyeshadows. And you'd be good to go for this to be for that. And your mascara and lipstick. And eyeliners. And concealers. But anyway, this probably wouldn't work for me. But it would work for an evening out. Look, I'm going to put it next to my face so you can see the size. And y'all, I think this is nice. I like this. Look, you can hold it like that. You can hold it under your arm. I mean, this is a great clutch. Now, you know, all I would put in here is maybe the car key. You know how you have the key or just your car key, house key combo. No big key ring in there. A lip gloss, and if you have a medical need. Sometimes people can't carry small purses because they may need to carry inhalers or certain pills or whatever. Take your pills at home, put your inhaler in your purse. Not everybody needs that. But anyway, I always carry one. To be honest, I haven't used an inhaler in 20 years until this last coughing episode. 20 years. But 2 occasions, I've had people run to me, literally run to me at work, going, and they knew that I would have that inhaler because I told them, when they told me they were asthmatic, I told them, I said, just so you know, I always keep an inhaler in my purse. And literally, one of them, it saved her. So, yeah, I always keep that and a piece of candy for diabetics. But anyway, I just think this is really, really pretty. And your cell phone, I've got this big old Look, no problem fitting in there. This is really nice. So, first of all, the clutch. Second of all,
so chill.
My phone just told me I'm so chill. That just shows you they're listening to everything. I know you're listening. All right, the second thing is this. This is a set of brushes. Now, one thing that's interesting, if you don't have first of all, if you don't have a brush set at all and you don't have a way to store them, keep this. And when you are through using it, put it back in. I think this is a great stand for your brushes. Now, this is just, cardboard, but inside this is, I don't know if you can see, it's like a silicone or whatever you want to call it, styrofoam that's been smoothed down inside. And so it easily holds this so that it's not going to mess up the little glitters on the brushes. Now, clearly from the brushes, I'm just going to keep holding this because I know that's what you want to see. This is your foundation brush. This is the It Cosmetics Buffing Brown Foundation brush. Y'all, this is a very good brush. They're tacked on the end or banded on the end, so that's really nice quality. The ferrules, I mean, this is their brush. The only difference is they've got this beautiful glitter, it's not glitter, it's like little stones, prism stones with glitter behind it. So this is like super glittery. Like, I'm in love with this. That's what got me one. I'm sorry, I know I don't need brushes, but then I thought, this is a set that I can literally use and not need anything else. Well, a shader. Because it's got for the transition area, the smudger. You could use this crease brush. You could double this as your shader. Like put your highlight under your brow and in the inner corner with that. And then use this as your transition smudger. And then still use this for blending. Yeah. Obviously you have a contour and blush brush out of this. And a foundation brush with this, or if you use powder, this is definitely, it could also be used for powder. So it says on the back, I don't know if you're going to be able to see this, maybe if I put a piece of white paper behind it. Okay, this is my notes for doing the Bible studies, but you might be able to see that right on the brushes it says what each brush is for. It says foundation, blush, contour. Oh, and they've started making KEB 50W, KER 50W, KER 50W, KER. Is that an R or B? Oh, they're all the same number. That just must be a SKU number for this set. That's what it probably is. But anyway, you can also see on there the word that says what it's for. But, I've just told you what it's for, so you don't have to know. And then on this side, it's got their logo. It brushes. And I just think these are fantastic brushes. I give this a 10. Yeah, I give this a 10. I still want y'all to see my Christmas earrings. I just think these are so fun. Every year I try to get something like a Christmas tree and glitters and rhinestones or wreaths or snowflakes or something. And I just love that these are little Christmas lights, the old-fashioned size Christmas lights in silver. They also had them in green and red. I should have probably got red too. But anyway, I might go back and get some more. I think these would be a fun gift. I am going to go back and see if they have them. It's a little local shop, so a little consignment shop, so I don't know where you would get these otherwise. I feel like Walmart, everybody has Christmas earrings out, but I just feel like it's fun to have Christmas earrings. I know some people say they're tacky. That's the fun of it. That's the fun. Anyway, so there, that is a perfect gift for someone. Y'all, to have this and this together, I think that you've given them a purse or a brush holder, makeup pouch, and a very nice brush set. Very nice. This is the basic essentials that you really don't need any other brushes. I mean, there's a lot of other brushes you can use. Y'all know that I like to have a dual fiber to flick off, but you can do that with this. I like to have a flat shader to put on my lid, but really, if you have a glitter shade, using your fingers best anyway, it transfers the best, or a sponge applicator, what am I trying to say? Not sponge applicator, but it's made of sponge. What am I trying to say? Y'all, that happens a lot. Anyway, you want this. This is a great gift. Ulta has them. Oh, how much was it? It was $50. I don't see the price, but it was around, I think it was $48. And y'all, that makes these like less than $10 a brush. That is a very good price. And you get this purse. as an evening bag. Or a blush brush. I mean, yes, can you put the brushes in there? Let's just do it. Let's take them all out of their holders and see how does this fit. I might just have this as a set backdrop sometimes too. That's really cute. Alright, so can they all fit in here? Absolutely. Absolutely they can. Look, they're down in there. And they've got room for you to put a palette or mascara. I could just throw so many things in here. I'm not going to right now. Because I think, I'll be honest with you, I would rather use something else for that and use this as an evening bag. Like if me and my husband are going out on a date night, or if you're going with a girlfriend to have a coffee in the afternoon, I think this is fun. This could be any time of day. It doesn't have to be evening. But until I use these, and I will use these, y'all, I'm going to put these back where they came from. In the order that I would use them, certainly the foundation brush. I will use the shadow brush for two things, so it will be on there. Then the crease brush can be used for the crease and also for what am I trying to say? Blending. There you go. There we go. There. Isn't that beautiful? It's also a pretty backdrop for your YouTube set. Seriously? When we put the Christmas stuff away, that might be really cute right there. I mean, or put it on your vanity where you get ready. Or wherever you get ready, your desk. Or I just think this is a good brush holder. And it's just a little cheap piece of styrofoam wrapped in a really pretty, like, hot pink. It's like a pearlized hot pink. It's really pretty. And then to sit that behind it, that would be really nice until you use it. I'm loving it. You'll see, because it's going to be here a lot. Alright, y'all, so I think that's all that I wanted to show you. Specifically, I wanted to show you that brush set and tell you it is a great Christmas gift, and I highly recommend it. I just had to check the time. I don't like having my glasses on in a video, but anyway, I wanted to check the time. I wanted to show this to you and tell you I would definitely get this. It's a good price to get a purse and 5 good brushes.